Oh, okay, we got something on here. Well, Lesley, our test is complete, and unfortunately the one that I wanted to win didn't. Well, gang, you have no reason to believe me, but I had a trout right up to the dock, and we did not get it into the net. So we'll come back and we'll do a little more, but even a bad morning of fishing in the rain, I did get some beautiful footage of an eagle, which you're going to see in the video, and just a beautiful morning, as long as you're prepared for it. So the lovely Lesley is up. We're going to go make some coffee, and we'll catch you later. Well, Lesley, how's coffee this morning?
Coffee's always really good.
Isn't that nice?
Yes.
Here we are under the awning in the Dune 10-9, and it's held up like a champ, eh? Pretty dry in the tent.
Oh, it's great, yeah. Perfect.
Well, let's...
There's a cardinal.
Oh, look at that. Oh, good eye.
Wow, it's so bright. Yeah.
Coffee with cardinals.
There you go. Camping.
Camping. Yeah, I tell you what, gang, there really is nothing better than a warm cup of coffee when you're camping. And on the menu this morning, we're actually doing a kicking horse, and it's the kick-ass, and it really is kick-ass. I'm not swearing just for the sake of it. That's actually the name of the coffee. So if you ever get a chance, get it. And I can't remember, Lesley, where is it made again? Is it BC or?
It's in BC.
Yeah.
I want to say Invermere. I could be wrong, but I think it's Invermere.
Yeah.
Where it originated.
Yeah, and you don't have to go to Invermere to get it. You can get it.
Springs.
Radium Springs, Invermere. Somebody will leave it in the comments and let us know. But you don't have to go all the way there to get it.
No.
It's everywhere now, eh?
Yes. But it is beautiful there, so.
It is beautiful. So you find it in most grocery stores, and I'm telling you, Folgers in your cup is no longer a thing. It's kick-ass in your mug. Okay, gang, we are going to head out finally and do some fishing. And today's fishing adventures will be brought to you by Oakley Meta sunglasses. No, this is not officially sponsored, but I did get these. I use them for a couple of my trips, and oh wow, they're polarized, which is great. So these will be awesome for fishing. Oh boy, what a difference that makes. But I wanted to try it fishing because hands-free. One of the problems always is, you know, you're casting and reeling, and then by the time you catch a fish, you try and hit the record button, and then you didn't set the hook properly, so you lose the fish. And that's not going to happen today. All right. This does actually have a voice command, so you can tell the glasses to start recording. So there's our rig. It's the first time I've had her out this year. Got the pedal drive, We got the Garmin fish finder, PFD of course, some extra fishing kit in the back, spare paddle just in case, always. So let's go do some fishing. Can't wait. Look at that water. Wow. Oh boy, it's been a hot minute since I've gotten in and out of this thing. Let's see if I can still do it. Not getting any younger group. Now I can technically stand on these, but balance. Hey. I do stand on this once in a while, but alrighty, let's get the show on the road. Got our drive ready to go. This is brand new. I've never used this one because Pelican has crap drives and they broke. And so now we're going to try an aftermarket brand and see. It feels pretty smooth. Oh, like butter. Let's get this thing turned on. Get this thing down and see if we can see some fish. There we go. I like this for finding the crappie out here because traditional, I guess. There we go. Looks good. Yeah, one thing I love about a pedal drive for fishing is both of these can be used for fishing. Some people think it's extravagant, but you remember when we were on the dock and I said there was a drop off? You can see it right here. So we're dropping from literally 10 feet now down to 30, 40. So there's this little trench where hopefully we'll find some trout. There's one right there. You can't see him, but I just saw him surface twice. I cannot believe it. I don't know if I got him on film or not. Wow. That was a trout. I think for now, I'm going to try this little pink Meps Aglia. Well, we got the hook on. Oh, jeez. And now we're going to see if we can find that guy again. I'm drifting a little bit back here, but let's give her a cast and see. Just never know. Oh, okay, we got something on here. And it hasn't jumped yet, so I don't know. Could be a bass, but they tend to jump. So could we be... It's got some size. Come on. Come on, what are we? Oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful bass. I just can't believe it didn't jump. Wow. Okay. Come here, buddy. Wow, that's a nice fish. Oh, come here, you. Oh, there we go. That's what it's all about, gang. Wow. That is a sizable largemouth. Wow. Look at that beautiful fish. There we go. We're going to send this one back. Okay, gang, same thing. Let's take that off for now so we can connect it so you can see how that works. It just goes right in here. I'll show you the other end of it too because it's got kind of a neat feature that the other one doesn't have, which is an additional safety valve and pressure. So if you look here, it's actually got this little knob here, which opens and closes. So just that additional peace of mind, especially when you're dealing with a large propane tank. That's quite nice. I do like that. Okay, and now for the ignition test. All right, so we've got all the gas turned on. Now we're going to take the surfing knob. Now we're going to take the gas knob and turn it on. You can hear gas. And oh boy. So, oh my goodness, that is a torch. Oh. Wow, that's hot. Now we can turn it down just for using the, oh, wow. So that's really hot. That's nice. So if you need to boil something, turn it down nice and low. See how sensitive this is. Well, I'm a little concerned that this Yeah, you can't control the... Well, unfortunately, as pretty as this is, Lesley, it's a fail because as pretty as it is, it seems to have one speed. So you got the jet boil, and then you can kind of turn it down to here, which is still very hot. Right, it's on, I can see it. But the minute I turn it down to about there, it goes out. So, well, this is why we test things. Really sad. I wanted to love this. Well, Lesley, our test is complete. And unfortunately, the one I wanted to win didn't. So the infrared burners are a nice touch. And if the only thing you're doing is like boiling water, that would be good. But really sad about that. I want to love this. Nope. And you can hear the gas is a little intermittent. Nope, so that's a fail. I wouldn't trust that. So back to Amazon it goes. And the winner, which we'll get cooking on here in a minute, is the good old-fashioned, reliable style which we had before. It does pack up nice and small, and we know that it works as advertised. So, oh well, there you go, gang. That's the test. And as I said, the winner is the Anbte, or Anbte. How would you say that?
I don't know. I don't know. Is the E silent?
Anbte. Ante. Anbte. I have no idea, but it wins. So, tidy little unit for the price too. So, back to Amazon with this, and let's get started on breakfast. There's the sound we like. Look at it, feeling it starting. Look at that. Started cold. Do its thing for a while. Beautiful. Now, the one thing I will say about this style of burner is you're not going to get complete even heat distribution. So you have to move things that are on the outside to the inside and just move it around. And it's not a fault of this particular unit, it's just the way that this style of stove works. I do like the fact that it's got kind of a deep concave, which may mean it's a little more windproof than some of the other ones, but we do carry a wind shelter as well for windy days. It's just a metal one, cheap one. It's folding, so you can put it up on the side that the wind's coming from. We won't need that today. This one's going back too, because this silicone strap, if you do get this, you have to make sure that it's turned down because its natural position is up. And we've already burnt through that. So there's not going to be any way to lock this thing and close it. So that's really unfortunate. And that's a design flaw because it is up and you should not have to remember to push that down. That's really silly. Oh well. So it'll do us this trip and back it goes too. Thank goodness for easy returns. All right, time to do some eggs. So we just got a little bit of this bacon grease in here now. We emptied the most of it. Pretty low flame, maybe we'll turn that up a little. Almost there. That's a good sound. That worked pretty good. We're actually toasting bagels on the other thing. I wasn't sure. That seemed to work pretty good. Look at the color on it. It's nice, eh? That's money right there. Beautiful. I might put one more egg in for me. I like 3. Well, it's too bad we had 2 failed stoves this morning.
Yeah, you know.
Different reasons.
Oh, that's way too much.
And that's why we're testing, so you don't have to. And as we're enjoying breakfast, I want to talk a little bit about this campground, Deer Creek Conservation Area, for those that haven't been here.
Yeah, it's just it's a little gem. And it's all because of the water.
Oh, it's beautiful water.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it really goes, like when you're here, even if you drive over the bridge, it looks like it's just one little lake, eh? And then you kayak or canoe back, and it opens up into all these other different arms and branches. And
yeah, it's just really pretty. You think you're someplace further than where you are. It's a small little campground with a lot of seasonals, but
yeah,
I wouldn't say that the camp sites themselves are very close together.
yeah,
But
uneven.
Like they're not great, but it's very well kept, very clean park. The staff are lovely, and again, it's just for the water. It's so pretty here, and their sunsets have been. Right, there's a little bit of busyness from the road, but
You can hear that sometimes at night. The big trucks roll by. But I would say that the experience of the water here is so good that you kind of ignore the rest.
oh, 100%. And there's like
I mean, we come here often, right?
It's close. It's a lovely drive to get here.
Yeah.
And you're very close to like Simcoe and Long Point and Turkey. Like there's lots in the area.
And we've done that on mountain biking down by Long Point.
Yeah. So there's lots to do. And then there's a nice little beach area, like in their day use area. There's a little beach there. And
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just really, it's a special little spot.
It is. And I will say, though, I'm with you that if you're lucky enough, I know most people don't have the privilege, but if you're lucky enough to be able to camp during the week, it's quite a bit quieter, right?
Yeah, this is not the place for me in a weekend because I like it for the solitude and the quiet. And weekends are for enjoying, and it's more festive.
Yeah, and I think it's a really good family spot. And even though our kids are grown up now, we actually have family coming today, right? Our daughter Arwen and her boyfriend, so we'll have some company, which would be nice.
Yeah.
And I think this is a perfect kind of park for that, right? Where you can have a campfire, enjoy the water, enjoy some time with family and friends. And as I've said on the show before, we do it all. Canoe camping, backcountry, front country.
Country.
Yeah. It's actually a term.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The lovely Lesley laughing at front country, but it is actually a term. And this is just a different type of camping. But it's different merits. And a little later, we're going to enjoy our breakfast now. And a little later, a little tongue-tied, we'll give you a tour of camp too, and let you know what works for us and we might still need. All right. See you later. All right, time to clean these trout. Look at those little beauties. So we will be having a catch and cook. Merrick caught one, I caught the other one. Actually, that's a lie. Terry caught them both, but Terry was a nice man and shared. So we're gonna have a nice little snack. Generally with trout, I'll just gut and bleed them out. Like so. And we'll leave the guts here for the snapping turtle. All right, guys, that's gonna be the lowest production value video that I've ever done for the channel, but it's because I'm really just trying to enjoy the camp. So less concerned about filming, but we got this beautiful trout here, which was gifted to us by another fisherman. We did catch a couple bass. We have evidence because you're gonna see it in the video, but I'm gonna put some butter inside. We've oiled the outside. We're gonna wrap this in tin foil with a little bit of this seasoning, which I just found in the cupboard. We didn't even buy this, so rosemary. We're renting a place right now, and it was in the cupboard, so it looks good. Let's see if it turns out so.